So hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to tell you the top 5 fastest character in the Skibidi Toilet universe. And I'm going to cover all aspects including the travel speed and the moving speed, which can be used in fight including agility and reflexes. Alright, so let's start. And of course in this list there is going to be no Titan at all because of course Titans are not comparable in speed and anything else, so that's was why. Alright, so let's start with the number 5 sword, which is Plunger Cameraman with the upgraded suit, which is of course the glitch toilet version because of course that's the only one which we can consider in speed wise. And of course he's going to be number 5 because they copied the Astro Toilet technology which they couldn't do efficiently. That's of course why he's at the number 5 spot. If we talk about agility and how fast he is, he cannot really do agile things like dodging something, but of course he's really fast in attacking and traveling speed. That's obviously why he's in this list. But the only reason he falls behind so much is because of his agility and reflexes, because he cannot do much in a fight to dodge attacks. But of course he can do it to damage anyone, but not for dodging attacks, which puts him really slow and really felt over, because of course that's one of the main reasons why you should be fast. That's all about number 5. Now let's move on to number 4, which is going to be the Glitch Toilet, which appeared in episode 29 and one of the main and the first Astro Toilet ever to be seen, which is a really important and a fast character which is really considerable in speed. He can dodge attacks efficiently, he can attack with speed, he can do anything which includes speed. He can do ultrasounds, he can do speed blitzing and many more things like Astro Toilets. But he's got a different energy. He's got a blue light while Astro Toilets get the orange light. And this is something different that we have never seen in any Astro Toilet, which could potentially be because of course he's experiment of scientist toilet, but of course that's not the reason why. So that's where this toilet deserves the spot. Now we move on to number 3, which is actually a really good pick for here, which could be a bit shocking for many people, but of course it's all Jimmy. Now everyone knows that Jimmy was not one of the fastest character or even the fastest character in the past times, but when he got his recent upgrades, which is in episode 77 full episode, we of course saw how fast he is, because now he can do split blitzing like Astro Toilets and even more efficient than that. Even when he was not so much upgraded, he could dodge attack like it was child's play. How fast he was, right? He's the king of agility, and of course by judging how big he is, we cannot say that he's not fast enough. He's one of the fastest characters out there on that size. Traveling speed is of course impressive because we saw how fast he arrives in episode 72 and episode 73, because of course that's where he shined the most. And if we talk about reflexes and agilities, he can react so fast that even Titans couldn't keep up, and including Titan TV Man. And of course he can dodge attacks like it's child play, because of course Titan TV Man couldn't even land a blow in the fight, which puts him above many Titans in his league. And of course even while he was fighting the Juggernaut Toilet, he was dodging all his attacks and attacking him in time, which is really cool and really impressive for a toilet that big. And of course we cannot say that Juggernaut is also deserving this spot, because of course it's his race benefits, not his. Juggernaut isn't fast, his race is fast, that's why he is fast. While of course Jimmy takes the 3rd spot, we should move on to number 2 now, which is going to be the Astro Duchess. Now it's been a while since I have covered Astro Duchess in any list, but now she's going to shine here, because of course Astro Duchess is one of the fastest character out there, because of course the size of her is really amazing to see how fast she is in that size. She can outspeed G-Man of course because of the race she is in, and of course she's much bigger than G-Man and all the other Titans, which already puts her above many people in the series. But judging by her race speed, she just speed blitzes anything in her way, and there's not much explaining to do why Astro Toilets are fast enough. And of course we should move on to number 1 now, which is a really surprising but really understandable pick, which is of course the UFO Toilet. This toilet has been out there for a while, which appeared first in episode 53, which is really impressive because how far he has come. He's a really strong and really impressive pick for the number 1 spot, because of course he's the fastest character we have seen so far. When we first saw him, we actually thought that he could teleport, but he was so fast that we could not see him at all. The first Astro Toilets that are Titans like Juggernaut, we can see them going a bit faster than his maximum speed, but in this toilet scenario, if he starts speed blitzing, he just speed blitzes. There's no cooldown on it anymore, which puts him above any Astro Toilet out there. And of course, he's much faster than teleportation, because we saw that he could reach on anywhere before Titan TV-Man ever could. And we saw this in episode 77 full episode last part, where of course Titan TV-Man escaped, but he arrived in time before him and closed the gate with his device and allowed Astro Duchess to do her work. Now, this also proves that he is much faster than Astro Duchess, because of course Astro Duchess was right behind him and the UFO toilet arrived much earlier and stopped the gate, which is really impressive. And of course, that's it going to be for today. I hope I can meet you in the next video.